everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another perfume breakdown of one of these Sephora favorites, perfume samplers that you can get. I do tons of videos on these because I like to let you guys know what the best perfume value you can get from each kit. So in this video, I'm going to let you know the largest size, the smallest size, the lowest value, and the highest value of perfume you can redeem for from this kit. So this one is called, as always, the Sephora Favorites Perfume Sampler. They don't get very unique with their names too often, and they reuse the names over and over. So this is the kit that I am currently reviewing. That way you can find it on their website. The price of this kit is $65, and there are 12 different fragrances to choose from in this set. 10 of them are going to be a higher value. One is going to be an equivalent value of $65, and one is going to be a lower value, less than $65. So if you're not familiar with these perfume fragrance sampler sets, basically it comes with a set of miniature little vial size perfumes, and you can try out all of the scents in this set, and then you also have a voucher in this kit to redeem for one of the full sizes of one of the fragrances from this kit. I always think these are really great gifts to give if you just don't know what to get someone, but you know they like fragrance. That way you can give them the option of finding one they really like, and they can pick their favorite one, because fragrance is one of those things that is so personal and subjective to people. So I think that these are a great gift to give. Another little trick I have is if there is a fragrance you know 100% that you love and it is included in one of these kits and it is a higher value than the price of this set, then you can buy one of these and redeem for that fragrance. Then you get all the little bonuses, and it's like getting a discount that you wouldn't normally get from Sephora. And one thing I wanted to mention really quickly, sometimes I get comments of people asking me, oh, what fragrance did you redeem for from the set? I do not actually personally buy any of these sets. I haven't bought any yet. I am just reviewing these to let you guys know what the highest value is. I haven't actually purchased any of these yet, but I feel like I might in the future, because every time I go through these, I feel like they are just such a great deal. So yeah, I haven't actually purchased any of these, in case anyone's ever wondering. So the first perfume in the set is from Atelier Cologne. It is the Orange Sanguine Pure Perfume version. This one is redeemable for the 1 ounce size, and the value of this one is $75. This one is also tied for the smallest size, so any fragrance in this set that is 1 fluid ounce is going to be tied for the smallest size. So just so I don't have to repeat myself a million times over, just know if it is 1 fluid ounce, it is one of the smallest sizes. The next fragrance is from Chloe. I don't know if it's Nomad or Nomade, but this one is the Eau de Parfum, and it is redeemable for the 1 fluid ounce. This one is valued at $76, so of course that makes it a higher value. Next is the Giorgio Armani Si Passion Eau de Parfum. This one is redeemable for the 1 ounce, and the value of this one is $68, which makes it a higher value. Next is from the brand Juliet Has a Gun. This one is called Not a Perfume, and it is the Eau de Parfum. This one is redeemable for the 3.3 ounce, and the value of this one is a whopping $135. So that of course makes it the highest value in this set, as well as the largest size that you can redeem for. Next is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love Eau de Toilette. This one is redeemable for the 1.7 ounce, and this one is valued at $84, making it a higher value. Next is the Nest Fragrances Cocoa Woods Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1.7 ounce, and this one is valued at $74, a higher value. Next is from Penrose. This one is called Secret Genius Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1.7 ounce, and this one is valued at $65, which is the same price as the kit, so that makes it an equivalent value. Next is the Prada Candy Sugar Pop Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $72, so another higher value. Next is the Toca Cleopatra Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1.7 ounce, and the value of this one is $72, a higher value. Next is Tory Burch by Tory Burch Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $74, a higher value. Next is the Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette. This is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $57, so that makes it a lower value. So if you happen to know that you want to redeem for this perfume, it's actually going to be a little bit cheaper if you actually just buy this perfume straight out rather than redeeming it from this kit. But of course, if that's the fragrance you like, then you can do whatever you want. And finally is the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1 ounce, and this one is valued at $85, and of course higher value. So here is a chart breaking down all of the fragrances in this kit, letting you guys know the largest size, smallest size, lowest value, and highest value. Like I always say, I always just recommend you to choose whatever fragrance you like the best, but if you needed help finding one or choosing between two, then maybe this was a helpful video for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.